Hi all, welcome to pantechelearning. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Now the same thing if you just go for the mouth. Now with the help of this mouth, what is the required option? Same thing, opening and closing. Now through this opening and closing, what we will be able to get? So if that particular mouth is open, okay, now let us see a small, the same kinds of smiley only, just I am trying. Now we can say that this guy is screaming. Okay, so how means with the help of this mouth only. The same thing. Now within that, here I am just changing the way of mouth. Here we can see like a smiley based on this particular drawing. Now you can see that he is doing like a fake smile. So this is also the portion of that particular mouth only. But once when we come into this hair cascade machine learning applications, so through that we will be able to detect whatever he is speaking based on the movement. Like alphabets, if you are just doing the A, then that particular mouth shape will be changed and therefore it will be detecting the lip known as A, then B, then C, like that kind of single letters nowadays we will be able to recognize with the help of machine learning over here. So in this process, the purpose of hair cascade inside the machine learning is to use to detect the eyes, nose, mouth and its features. So what are all the features that is applied for this particular algorithms, here we will be able to analyze it. Now the same thing if you just go for the advanced techniques and just moving on to the 3D. So how that depth camera will be able to analyze. So here you can just provide some 3D shapes and within that particular 3D shapes I am willing to use a sphere. Okay. Now here we can just turn it whenever it is needed. Any direction can be applied. If you just provide it in 3D view, we can see it anywhere. Now on to that requirement, if I am just adding any one of the part. So here it is not possible to take like now again just I am drawing up over here. Now here we have just adjusted it. So here just providing the required colors. Now we have just created the model of face. The thing, if I just make it as 3D, here we can see that depth between the region from eyes to nose. Okay, so the same way only here from these two particular movements also we will be able to get. So in this way only the same face detection it is applied for the facial recognition in latest 3D cameras to detect the light, the depth. The reason is if you just go with the 2D camera, there will be some duplications, and to avoid the duplications only, here we are just applying for it. So these are the particular magics with the help of the faces which we will be able to apply with the help of machine learning and image processing in the artificial intelligence field. Now let us see how to just detect that particular face with the help of a 2D image. So from the particular 2D image, first we have to open the script. As usual, what we are doing, clear all, solve, LC. Now we have to call the particular cascade of the detector, face detector equal to function dot cascade object detector, and the case sensitive is must. Now how I am just saying whether this cascade object detector it is obtained from the toolbox. So once we can confirm if cascade object detector is not found, therefore the toolbox has not been installed properly. There are some chances for many of them to get this problem. Cascade object. I'm just entering the two words, entering only cascade, and there will be many cascade applications. From that computer vision toolbox, here we have vision dot cascade object detector. Perform face detection by using OpenCV in MATLAB. So this must be the toolbox, should be installed. So in this case it is already installed, and for the previous image processing also the same toolbox only. Now we have to provide that variable to read that image, imread. So here I am not entering the name now. Once I have to download an image with the face, So now here I have to apply the boundary boxes with face detector. From where means which variable we are going to provide the input as image. Now after that we have to annotate. Annotate means once the face is applied, the rectangle box should be mentioned along with the text. So here provided the variable insert object annotator. This is all inbuiltly available. Now in which image we have to take and what type of boxes we have to add. What type means the shape. Therefore, comma. Now which one we have to detect. So for that we have a clear data like face, because it is already trained inside the object detection from the computer vision part. So now annotation is ready and therefore we can just display it. I am show eye faces. Now let us download a image. Yeah, so one image has been added. Now within that particular image 23.jpg, so we have to save it and it will start to read and the annotation will be done. Okay, sensitive problem. Sorry, I have made a mistake. Not annotator, it is annotation. So here we can see that face onto the respective portion. Now if I just add any other image, now if I am just adding group face means, we're going to let this run. So here the same red fort, but no annotations we will be able to see. Now we have added one more image which is group photo. Now the classifications will be done for all the faces. So this much amount of faces it was able to calculate and detect it. So this is what the function of cascade classifier for face. Now the same thing we can also apply it for the upper body. So for that upper body also the same sections only. Instead of that respective function inside the face, we have to make it for the body part. So the same body detector, everything will be there. The size we have to apply. So based on that particular range only, we will be able to calculate. Here, let us start with the same clear out, CLC. Now we have to start with our body detector, and through that the same vision dot cascade object detector, and here we have to mention it as upper body. Then we have to detect that particular size, how much size it should be able to proceed. This respective library detector dot minimum size 3,60 will be added. Then we have to apply the threshold. Have to merge it on the threshold alone. Now within that particular threshold we can apply the value as 10. Now we have to read that image, read in bracket 32 jpg, which the bodies will be able to detect, and from that we have to apply the bounding box for body equal to detector and body, and within that here again we are going to add our annotation, and within that particular annotation the variable, the shape which we need, and what should be applied, where should be applied, and therefore what should be written for body inside the annotation part. Now once this is completed, we can display our respective body image and show my body. Now let us run it. So this is what the function of hair cascade along with the face as well as the upper body classifier. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.